Hello, hello. It has been a while since I've done a vlog, but I have been getting lots of requests for it, so I am happy to oblige. This is a Tuesday. It is Tuesday, October the 9th. Is that a thing? Yes, I think October the 9th. Anyways, Tuesday after the Canadian Thanksgiving. I am spending the week getting ready for a trip to Orlando, Florida, which we leave on Sunday. And I know that you guys want to know what I'm packing. I don't even know what I'm packing yet. Okay, just got to Henry's. You can kind of see it in the background. I am gonna go check out to see if they have some batteries. Hopefully they do. Like, otherwise I don't really know where else to go. And then I have to go to Shoppers to pick up my allergy pills that I have to take daily. They're special ones, so I guess a story for another day. And then I think I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. I have to return something and maybe just double check to see if there's anything good I want to wear in Orlando. I always remember things that I need to do while I'm driving, which is why, like, I told you I was just doing a battery grab and now I have like 2 other things to do. So might be out a little bit longer than I thought today. It is Wednesday afternoon. I spent the morning at Sunnybrook Hospital. I had a specialist appointment for some ongoing health issues that apparently still have not been figured out. The doctor kind of just told me what I already knew. Apparently we aren't gonna do anything for a month. I guess she's going to tell me if she wants to do an ultrasound or not, but like didn't give me any answers. Has anyone like dealt with the same issues when you wait almost a year to see the specialist and then they give you no answers? Okay. Besides that, I went to Yorkdale to pick up a couple things for the trip, and I got a box for my box bag because when I bought the box bag, they ran out of the Celine boxes, so I finally got it and it's now in its rightful home inside the box in my closet. Super excited about that. And then I went into Uniqlo just to check it out, and they have like an assortment of cashmere hats now. So last year I got, was it last year? No, 2 years ago when Uniqlo first started in Toronto, I picked up like a gray and a black cashmere hat, but the gray one I got like coffee or some sort of dirt on it last year, so I can't get the stain out. So I picked up a gray one and another black one just because you never know, and this colored, this like browny taupey color one. It looks better on, I swear. But they also have like colorful ones, and they have like a dark gray one, navy ones. But yeah, if you think that you want one of these hats, I need to take the tag off. It will look better, I swear. If you think you want one of these hats, they're like $39 for a cashmere hat, like 100% cashmere. They're gonna run out fast. Done rambling about the awesome beanies. I am now home. I'm eating this delicious leftover Brussels sprout thing. So I made Brussels sprouts last night, as you can see in the clip that I might insert here. Leftover bacon from the weekend, and then some Tabasco sauce. I don't know if you guys are gonna like that. It kind of looks really gross, but I love this stuff. So that's kind of like my mini lunch. I am heading to see Caitlin, who is like basically my wedding planner for the wedding. So we're gonna chat some stuff because I hadn't seen her since I booked the venue, and we have like a lot to do. It is
transfer complete.
So it's Thursday afternoon. I just came from Oshawa. We packed up a house that we staged like a couple weeks ago. I think you saw it on my last like what I wore weekly vlog. So we packed that house up, and the movers are coming tomorrow to pack everything up. I just grabbed like a couple sushi rolls, like avocado and cucumber rolls, because I'm starving and I don't have food in the house. I don't want to get extra groceries because we leave Sunday. Oh my gosh. So the reason I'm telling you this is just because I ordered like 1 avocado roll and 2 cucumber rolls, and 3 rolls are $20. Like, that's insane. This place is so overpriced now. I have to find a new sushi place because a cucumber roll should be like $3–4 max. That's insane. I'm rattled. Now I'm driving home. I'm gonna film a Zara haul for you guys because everything came in yesterday, so I want to film that before I leave. So I'll show you the sushi when I get home. So this is what $20 worth of vegetarian sushi looks like. That's insane. I just looked at the menu and one cucumber roll, which means it's like 6 pieces, costs $5.99. So that means I'm paying $1 for cucumber and rice. If I wasn't so hungry, I'd be even more upset. But yes, never ever buying at the sushi place again. If you have any other sushi recommendations in Vaughan, let me know, please. Okay guys, I am finally ready to pack. I am gonna show you the pile of clothes that I have gathered, and then I will go through what I will actually bring. So this is what I have taken out of my closet that I think I will probably bring there, just to make sure the color scheme is kind of all the same. So we're looking at a bunch of neutrals, whites, oatmeals, blacks, a lot of black. So I'm gonna have to take some of that out. All right, so I'm gonna start off with some long pants first. It is like still over 30, 35 degrees in Orlando, even if it's like raining. So I think I'm gonna bring one pair of black skinnies. So these are the Aritzia Lola. They're cropped, super high-waisted. And then I am going to bring my Gia roll-ins. I haven't thought about whether or not I'm bringing the ones I'm wearing right now, because I think a light wash would be nice too, but we'll see how much room I have. So these are the Gia roll-ins. I'm going to bring one pair of other long pants, and they're these ones, the rusted color ones from Aritzia, the Rileys, just in case like I want some wide-legged rusted color action in some shots. It's hard to tell just because like I don't know what the color scheme of anything I'm going to go to is right now, so that's why packing is extra stressful. Okay, so now I have 3 pairs of long pants, and then I am bringing this one jumpsuit. This is my Zara jumpsuit, the linen one, so it's gonna be nice in hot weather. Maybe I'll wear it out to one of the dinner time things, just because I probably wouldn't wear it to Disney just because it's a jumpsuit and I don't want to be struggling to pee all day. And then I wanted to bring some skirts. So I don't have too many skirts, but these ones are my favorite and most versatile, I think. So this is the wrap rag and bone one that you guys have seen. I bring these items because I know that I can make different outfits with them. And then a short skirt from Club Monaco, super cute, little frills. Okay, and then shorts wise, so I am going to bring these ones, my Citizens of Humanity jeans. I am going to bring my Topshop black mom jeans. I am bringing a pair of Lululemon like workout shorts. I have my Nike workout shorts, and where did the white ones go? I have a pair of white Nike workout shorts. These are really light, so I don't mind if I bring extras and I don't actually wear them. It's just in case. I am more of an overpacker than underpacker. I think I need more shorts. I think I put the rest of them, I think I brought them home. I have to check. I think these ones I'll bring just in case, my Levi's, my Levi black ones. So we're done bottoms. So now we can look at t-shirts. So 6 days, probably want to bring like 10 t-shirts or like 10 tops. So I have my black J. Crew t-shirt. I have my Current Elliott v-neck. I have my 2 Modern Essentials tee, the one white one, the gray one. So I'm also gonna bring some blouses. So the Wilfred white blouse. And then I have my Babaton, the black, and then I have a bunch of camisoles. So we're at 6 tops now. Some camisoles, the white camisole, depending on how hot it is. Might be wearing camisoles a lot. The black silky one, a light blue thicker strapped one. These are all from Aritzia. You guys know I love my Aritzia camisoles. I do not lie. And these are just like the base shirts. And now we're gonna move on to sweaters. All right, so I am gonna be bringing some light sweaters. This is a really thin knit from Zara with like distressed hems. Easy to tuck into shorts at night. My linen oversized men's Gap sweater. And then I'll probably pick an outfit from here to pack, to wear to the actual airport tomorrow on Sunday. Acne cotton sweater, always a trusty one. And then Ooh, got a t-shirt. This is the All Saints gray striped linen t-shirt. So this is considered sweater-like, so I'll probably wear it as an overcoat kind of thing. This is my Zara linen one with like the 2 pockets. I am definitely going to need a steamer / iron when I get there, because I haven't been able to iron this one out since it got washed. This is my black crop Wilfred sweater. I feel like I've packed a little bit warmer than expected for Orlando, but that's fine. I'd rather overpack than not have enough. I'm bringing this guy. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but haven't worn it since I purchased it, so I feel bad. This is like a super oversized Free People button down. This will be a good like overshirt, and it could be even a dress. I don't know. I'm gonna bring a belt too. I'm bringing some dresses. This is my Isabel Marant kind of cottony linen dress. It has really pretty embroidery and details right there. And then just because I've never worn this dress before, I want to bring it just in case I decide that I want to wear it. It's like a wrap dress from Aritzia. It's a little bit lower than I'd like, but I bought it because it was on sale, and that's usually when I get into trouble. I need to bring PJs. Okay, so now that I've organized everything, I'm going to put it into the actual luggage. I am bringing this hat, my Janessa Leone hat. It is felt, and I know it's going to be hot, but I think that it'll be fine. I just really want pictures with this beautiful hat. Put all my underwear and my biker shorts that go under my skirts in here. I am also going to be bringing my lovely Maya bag from Sonia Lee. I put all my bathing suits and socks in here to kind of keep the shape. Okay, so start off with all the pants. Now it's time to do shoes. I am bringing a couple pairs. First of all, these are like the best walking shoes ever. So my Nike Flyknit court shoes in little shoe bags in the other section. And then I am going to bring my suede Birkenstocks. Also just gonna bring rubber black Havaianas for like the pool, and I don't know if I need a shower. And I don't think the shower is clean. Also gonna bring these Chloe sandals because I'm not really gonna get a chance to wear these again until next year, so I'm gonna bring them. My Jenny Kane suede loafers just in case I wanna dress up like a little bit. That reminds me, I probably need to do my toes if I'm wearing these sandals. It's supposed to be raining, hopefully it won't, but even if it does a little bit, I'm gonna bring my Common Project high tops. And then I don't know if I'm gonna bring these or not. I think I'll just bring them unless I'm like really over the limit. So I usually put all my jewelry in here. I have packed mostly all my Jenny Bird stuff, from like these gold bangles to, oh, some hoops are in here. I have some like more statement earrings. I'm gonna wear like my everyday jewelry with me on the plane. But like I've got these cute little guys and everything, just if I want to do some portraits or go on a night out. So this is where all my jewelry goes. This really cute pouch is from Opal Creative. It's Sherpa. It is so cute. They made it for their holiday season last year. Maybe they'll do it again. If they do, I will link it, of course. Fix my hair. Okay, I'm gonna use this really fun confetti Sephora bag for all my makeup. Currently I have like all my brushes in there. I am bringing my Fenty, this lighting is really tough right now, my Fenty highlighter duo. I sell bronzer, Bite Beauty multi-stick. This is in Biscotti. Stay all-nighter, I don't really know if I'm gonna use it, but if it's as humid as it could be, why not, just in case. My Tom Ford glow stick, the MAC Really Shiny Bronzer, Fenty Beauty eyeliner, Fenty Beauty eye primer, super fun Pat McGrath gold lip gloss, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and my Anastasia clear brow gel, a little bit of the NARS concealer, these two CoverGirl palettes. This is like just my makeup. Oh, and then of course Anastasia brow definer. So that's all the makeup that I'm gonna bring. Probably won't be wearing a lot of it, but might be fun to get done up at some point. Okay, so next up I am just gonna use some Ziploc bags and put my like hair brush and everything in here. So this is just my bristle brush and kind of my after shower brush so that I can brush everything through. Also gonna bring my Way hair oil. And maybe my wave spray. And then there was also this little guy. I also got like a sample from Sephora. It's like a Morocco oil protect and prevent spray. So I'm just gonna put this in a Ziploc bag just in case any of like the hair oil stuff explodes. At least it just explodes on my hair stuff. And then I am going to use this Ziploc bag to put all my sun care stuff. So I got some Shiseido stuff, 50 SPF Shiseido, I still don't know how to say it, sun protection spray. You got some After Sun, really it's more for Travis in case he burns, because sometimes he burns. And yeah, so that's all my sun stuff. And then Neutrogena face wipes. These guys, they're the best. And they will be like my makeup remover. All of my actual skincare stuff is gonna go in here. Got my pads, my face pads, and got some spoolies for mascara and my eyebrows. This is my Kiehl's facial balm, which I bring with me like everywhere, because if my skin freaks out somewhere, like that always saves the day. Got my Luna night sleeping oil, and I have my Kiehl's toner. I'm trying out the Neutrogena eye gel. Hopefully it'll be good. And then my Origins SPF 40 facial cream and my Sunday Riley CEO serum. And of course my Caudalie beauty spray. And then last but not least, I'm gonna bring some masks just cause I'll probably have some time at night. Some Kiehl's ones. These two Kiehl's ones. And then my Glam and Glow exfoliator. And it all fits. I just need to get my facial cleanser, which I will get tomorrow. Alright guys, that's the end of my packing video. Hopefully you found some helpful tips. I would love to know what you guys do similar, what you guys do differently, and why. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I would love to chat with you about traveling and packing, because that's something I would love to do more of. And as usual, please, if you liked the video, give me a like and a subscribe. And if you want to see like more of me in Orlando, just remember to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle right there. I post there every day and will be posting photos during my trip. I will still be posting videos Tuesdays and Thursdays. It just won't be like live updates from what I'm doing. But I will see you very soon.